In our business, we cherish the feedback we get from our customers. So when we receive great reviews, we just have to share it. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Here's what one of them had to say. "We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It is simply a win-win for us and them. Each review like this is like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring." We work hard to ensure our customers are happy and satisfied with the work we do for them, and we will work hard for you. Thank you for dropping in today. We are looking forward to doing business with you. We are only one call away from serving you.